dear friends. I'm cooking dinner for us too, but Nikita is working tonight, so he'll be at home a little bit later. And at the moment, I have some clean potatoes. They are of different size because these small potatoes are young potatoes from Nikita's grandma's garden, and these are from the shop. And the smaller ones I'm not going to cut into pieces. Um, I'm, I I'll just leave them as they are. The bigger potatoes and the biggest one I'm going to cut into pieces. And then I have here um, chicken chicken thigh meat. So it's without any bones, and I just mix everything with sour cream and some spices, with paprika, with oregano, and black pepper, and of course some salt. And I use this pot. No, it's not a pot, it's a pan. And I'm going to bake everything 200 degrees Celsius and for 50 minutes. So this is the result. You can see baked chicken. It looks juicy, and potatoes, they are soft enough, so they are ready. I'm going to cut some cucumber. we are back to our normal life, normal, ordinary life. I usually have eggs for breakfast and coffee and cottage cheese dessert, and it happens every day. Sorry for my hairstyle. I'm gonna clean the studio today, but first I want to set up a VPN service, a VPN on TV and on my computer. A new VPN because I've been using my own VPN, and this app sometimes doesn't work properly. The internet works slowly with this VPN, with my VPN, and Nikita bought another VPN and it works perfectly. So I like his VPN service, and we use all these apps like YouTube, Instagram, Spotify. I listen to music on Spotify, ChatGPT, and many other websites and apps. We use them with VPN, and we pay because a free VPN doesn't work correctly, so it's not possible to use all these apps with a free VPN. And still, there are a lot of people in Russia who don't use VPN. Therefore, they don't use any of these apps. But I can't imagine my life without Instagram, without YouTube, and I need to pay for VPN, and Nikita does it as well. So here I have an instruction to set up the VPN on TV. And then after it, I'm going to listen to a lecture or a podcast. I usually do it while I clean the apartment. And then, I don't know, I will have some free time in the afternoon, so I will decide what I'm gonna do. So Nikita will demonstrate what we have just bought.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this? These are
These are cigarettes.
cigarettes. Yeah.
This is ukrop.
These are greens.
No,
Greens. You
this
can
is-
say just
This is ukrop and petrushka.
dill.
This is hinkali.
These are
These are hinkales.
Caucasus food. No, not Caucasus. Georgian food. This is
Что это? Лимонад.
lemonade.
Lemonade. Coffee.
This is coffee. You know what is this?
Лук. Как будет лук? Что?
Okay, what color is this? This is a red,
Violet.
violet onion.
Violet onion.
But not violet, it's called red onion.
Red onion.
This is a deodorant.
Deodorant.
Deodorant,
Deodorant.
yeah. These
Nut?
are grease nuts, yes. It's called cottage cheese dessert. Repeat, please. Cottage cheese
Cottage cheese
dessert.
And teeth.
It's not for teeth,
А,
it's for
как
lip
lip
balm.
lip balm. Все.
That's all. Say that's all.
That's all.
That's all. That's it. Nikita is going to clean our cooker with this cooktop scraper. Hinkale is like dumplings from Georgia. Just put them in hot water for 15 minutes. We have a Georgian salad today. Vegetables, fresh vegetables from our garden, some lemon juice a little bit, and walnut, wrapped walnut. So in the basement it's red onion and greens. I'm going to mix it and I'm going to show you the result. Guys, I've just sneezed for 4 times. For 5 times already, and you know, it's the these are the consequences of the AC working. You know, I'm so irritated by AC. I hate them, and the only reason we have it here in our studio because our oh my god. Uh, the only reason we have it here because our studio is so small. The sun gets directly in the studio and it gets hot here from very morning, so it's impossible to sleep even at 7 a.m. At 8 a.m. it's already hot in here, so we have the AC, and also we have only one balcony window, and there is no circulation of the air, so fresh air gets in here very slowly, and it's not been refreshed here for a long time. As you can see, I got some bangs. Probably you don't see it. Like Nikita, he said that he didn't see any changes, but I caught the bangs and a little of the hair ends, and I feel much better. I feel refreshed. Sorry for my runny nose. So I ordered new shampoo and conditioner for my hair, and I don't like um, I don't like ordinary products like you can buy in any shop. I like some of the professional line. That means that they are much better for your hair. So I've been using products made in Russia for a while, and this is not an ad. I'm just showing you what I have bought. So this brand is called Estelle, and in Russia it's very popular, and they have 3 levels of quality. The first level is for usual markets, supermarkets, and they are not very expensive. The next level, it's called like professional, but they are also available for good price. And another level higher, the highest level, I can say that it's premium stuff. No, it's not premium quality. They are just products of high quality. So this line is called collagen, and let's look what's inside. I haven't opened it yet. I don't like blue color. I think it's not my color. Sometimes girls choose things, especially to decorate your space. They choose the colors even of some products, for example, for cooking, for your bathroom. But here I don't pay attention to the color of the products. Much more, it's much more important the quality and the after effect. So here they are. I want to smell it together with you for the first time. Yeah, the smell is strong and I don't know, it's cool. It smells like professional products in the salons, for example. So I'm going to try them in a day, not tomorrow, and I will tell you about my feelings about this product. Every year, earlier and earlier, I start to feel that it doesn't feel like summer anymore. Like today, it's only the 6th of August, and I don't feel like it is summer. Yeah, it's sunny and it's warm. I'm in my top and in my shorts. I'm wearing sunglasses and SPF cream on my face, but still, I don't feel like it's summer. And I don't know why it happens like this. Maybe because I'm getting older and older, or maybe because it's climate that changing so much every day and every year. But it's not only me who notices this, also Nikita. He notices that too. We are not excited anymore in the beginning of August. So it's strange and it's sad. The world in general feels so strange right now. I don't know, guys, if you feel the same, write in the comments, because I feel this pressure every day, not only because of the war, not only because of all the things which are going on right now in the world, but I don't know, maybe the time is like that, the time in general. One more thing which makes me quite disturbed, which makes me feel quite disturbed is Togliatti city. I've been living here for 9 years, and I've never experienced this before. This feeling that I don't like the city itself. Yeah, I knew that Togliatti is a very poor city with no parks, no squares, no beautiful. Guys, I'm sweating so much. Sorry, I don't know what's going on, but I'm sweating. My face is wet. So yeah, I've never felt like this before. I mean, I knew that Togliatti is a very simple and very poor city with no interesting places around, no squares, no parks, no buildings, historical buildings, nothing to watch, nothing to visit. And like 4 or 5 last years, people are building here some new blocks of flats and new districts and new embankment, Volga embankment, but still it's only in the outskirts of the city. It's only around the city, but not in the city. And the city itself is still very industrial and very boring, I would say. When I was living in Tumen has its own historical center. A lot of beautiful places near river and far from river in the center, and you can go whatever you want if you want to and enjoy beautiful space. And here in Togliatti, I want to go out, I want to go somewhere like today. I am free, I have time, but I have nowhere to go. I have nowhere to walk. I mean, walking. Because if you have a car here, yeah, you can go somewhere to the nature and to the Volga River again. But if you want to walk, you have nowhere to go. Look, I'm out right now and I want to sit somewhere to read a book, to drink a cup of coffee, to enjoy beautiful weather, but still, I don't know where to go. The thing is that I was younger and I had a lot of friends in Togliatti. I was more free at that time and I would never think much about my future, about getting older. The only issue I was worrying about all the time is where am I going to spend my time on the weekends and with whom. And now I'm getting older and I notice a lot of things around me and they are not satisfying. I'm not satisfied with this city anymore. So I've just come to our embankment and in summer is beach. I never swam in river here, I mean. In another place, yes, but not here. I don't like public beaches. They are not clean. So right now I'm going to this cafe to take cold coffee and then I know there is a place with some trees where I can sit and read my book. I'm pretty much impressed how many new blocks of flats are being built right now. I mean, how quickly. Like a year ago, you could see nothing here in here, and now a whole building. I'm finishing this book. I have a few pages to finish this book. Recently, I've been so much hyperfixed on Britney Spears. I don't know why. Just out of nowhere, I have a new passion. And I ordered a book about Britney Spears. So maybe the first one will be Britney Spears because it's the easiest one and the shortest one. Okay. I think the security guy is struggling because the wind is so strong and the lock is, oh my god, oh my god, the lock is broken and he hardly can close the gates. You see? Oh my god. He's struggling. He's been struggling already for 15 minutes. No. Yeah, finally no. I bet he's going to close it. He's going to end up closing it. Yeah, finally.